So the first question is what we would expect, a main point question. We can identify it because it says that these passages are written primarily in order to do which of the following, or to answer which of the following questions. We already know that the main point from our discussion earlier was where did music come from? Each of them gives a different answer. So when we go to the answer choices, that's what we're looking for. Answer choice A says, what evolutionary advantage did larger brain size confer on early hominids? Now, both passages mention larger brain size, but neither one of them talks about the evolutionary advantages of larger brain size. So A is not our answer. B, why do human mothers and infants engage in bonding behavior that is composed of musical elements? Well, that's something that passage B talks about, but passage A doesn't, and this question wants something that they both talk about. Answer choice C, what are the evolutionary origins of the human ability to make music? Now this is what we want. Passage A answers the question one way, passage B answers the question a different way, but they both answer the question, where did music come from? C is what we wanted, so we should pick it, though glance at the other answers to see why they're wrong. D says, do the human abilities to make music and to use language depend on the same neurological systems? Now this is like B in reverse. Passage A mentions neurological systems, passage B does not. Finally, answer choice E, why are most people more adept at using language than they are at making music? Now this is one that neither passage exactly answers. Passage A mentions that people are more adept at language, but doesn't really provide an explanation of why. But passage B doesn't discuss it at all, so it can't be something that they both are written to answer. So, as we can see, the answer is answer choice C.